In addition to its automated toolset analysis capabilities, the TA-100 is equipped with comprehensive system management functions to meet laboratory requirements for instrument operation control, data management, and traceability. The system includes functional modules such as calibration analysis, calibration management, user management, data management, and Audit Trail, providing users with a complete solution for instrument operation and quality management. Through this calibrate analysis and calibrate table modules, users can perform instrument calibration, manage calibration data, and review historical calibration records. These functions help laboratories maintain stable and reliable instrument performance, ensuring consistency and reliability of analytical results during routine testing. The TA-100 system includes a user management function within the settings module, supporting user account creation, deletion, modification, and export operations. Users can configure different user accounts and access permissions according to laboratory management requirements. The system adopts a 4-level user permission management mechanism, assigning appropriate operation permissions based on different personnel responsibilities. This helps reduce the risk of unauthorized operations and improves operational compliance and management efficiency in pharmaceutical laboratories. To support data integrity management requirements in pharmaceutical applications, the TA-100 is equipped with an Audit Trail function. The system can automatically record key operation information, including user operation records, parameter modification records, and important system events, enabling traceable management of operations throughout the testing process. Through comprehensive Audit Trail records, users can effectively monitor instrument usage, improve data transparency and management practices, and provide reliable data support for quality audits, deviation investigations, and regulatory inspections. With advanced oxidation technology, automated sample analysis capabilities, and comprehensive system management functions, the TA-100 provides a complete TOC analysis solution for the pharmaceutical industry by combining stable analytical performance, efficient operating procedures, and comprehensive data traceability capabilities. The TA-100 supports pharmaceutical companies in effective pharmaceutical water quality monitoring and control, while facilitating standardized laboratory operations.